Did you click this video because you're looking for ways to decorate above your bed, especially if you don't have an headboard? In this video, I will be sharing with you some simple ways that you can use to decorate above your bed to give the effect that you have an headboard. And also, if you have an headboard, the ideas are great for you as well. I am Renee if you're new here, and I share all things home related. Now, the first method that you can use to decorate behind your bed or above your bed is by using wallpaper. Now, wallpaper is one of those easy, affordable ways that you can use to create that space behind your bed if you don't have an headboard. It is a great way to add texture, color, and just to give you little effects that you have an headboard, and just to fill up that wall behind your bed. Now, wallpaper comes in different forms and different types. You have textured wallpaper, you have plain wallpaper, so that is one way that you can use. Another way that you can use wallpaper is simple by using it in a frame or on a canvas board. For example, behind me here, these are wallpaper that I use inside this picture frame and also on this board. The middle one is a contact paper that I also use on my dining table, and as you can see, I use it as wall art. Now, another way, as I mentioned, wall art that you can use to decorate above your bed is by using wall art. Buy a nice picture frame, buy a nice canvas board, DIY art. You can also use wallpaper, as I mentioned. You can get a nice painting. Ensure that the art is big enough over your bed as well. This will create the illusion that you have an headboard. Another way that you can use to decorate behind your bed is by using a wood feature wall. This can be in the form of a shiplap or also a board and batten. Once you use those strips of wood to create a design of your choice, paint it. This will give a great effect. It will create focal point into your room when you enter that room. So try to use wall feature effects when you're going to fill up that empty space behind your wall. Another method that you can use that most of us don't consider is by using mirrors. Now, it can be a great way to decorate above your bed, especially if you're in a small space. Mirrors will make that space look bigger and feel brighter since it bounces light. So most of us don't consider mirrors when we're decorating above our bed. Also, with mirrors, ensure that you choose the right style, the right color, and the right shape that matches your headboard if you do have an headboard. And try not to make that mirror too small above your bed. The bigger the mirror, the better. Another way that you can use to decorate above your bed is by adding shelves. Now, shelf is a nice way that you can use to add other items such as plants. You can use it to add picture frames. Ensure that the shelves are installed perfectly, just in case you have an earthquake or anything, you don't have anything falling down. Also, ensure that the shelves are installed a little higher so that no one is bumping into the shelf as well. So shelf is a nice way to fill up that empty space over your bed. And this, as I mentioned, you can put little decor pieces on it as well, just to decorate the space. So that's another method that you can use to decorate above your bed. Another method that you can use to decorate above your bed is by just hanging curtains. So there are many ways that you can use curtains. A window don't have to be into the space. Curtain is a nice way to add texture, that coziness, that soft feeling. If you look into a lot of hotel rooms, they have curtain there. You don't have to have a window to have curtain into the space. So just by putting some curtains behind your bed, that will give the illusion that a window is there and also fill up that space behind your bed. Another way that you can use to decorate above or behind your bed is by just adding some paint. A little paint will add some interest behind your bed by creating an accent wall. Use that paint as well to get some nice geometric design. You can use it to add some nice shape, just a different color as well to get that accent wall. So paint is a great way to fill up that empty space behind your wall. Another way that you can use to decorate above your wall is by using some nice wall decor pieces. They have some nice wall hanging pieces that you can use to decorate behind your bed. These come in different form and different styles, so you can always purchase the one that best suit you. So you have them in different textures as well, different pattern. That's a great way to decorate above your bed. Another way that you can use to decorate above your bed is leaving it to your headboard. If you have an headboard that is nice, big and fancy, don't overcrowd it. Don't take away the look of it by putting a wall art over it. Leave it as it is. Some walls look good by just leaving it blank with your headboard only. Look at this picture here. This bedroom looks so good without having anything over the wall. The headboard already is a statement piece, so sometimes we have to just leave it blank and don't overcrowd the space. Another way that you can use is by using a tapestry. Now you have different form of tapestry, different design. You have the macro, what they call it, the macrame. You have different shapes. So go and buy a tapestry that can fill up that empty wall above your space and making it look beautiful. So if you don't have an headboard, don't worry. All these methods will work for you. Thank you again for watching. If you love this video, you will love the next video here on screen. I am Renee again. See you on this video.